Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to automatically hide the taskbar on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To automatically hide taskbar on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Click on Taskbar. Now scroll down again. You will find an option here, Taskbar Behaviors. Click on Taskbar Behaviors. Scroll down. You will find an option here, Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Just click on Automatically Hide the Taskbar. And look, the taskbar is now hidden. It will automatically hide and show. If you scroll your mouse to the taskbar, taskbar will show automatically. And if you release your mouse pointer, the taskbar will hide. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.